welcome to Tip Tuesday with Tiffany. I'm Tiffany Frederick. I'm a licensed real estate agent in the state of Virginia, working with Long & Foster's Reston office. Today's tip is involving these little guys, your favorite family pet. They become a part of your family, they're an active member, this is their home too. But when you're preparing to sell your property, when we talk about staging, when we talk about being market ready, there's some things you should consider. If you watched my previous video, you'll know that less of you equals more space for that potential buyer walking in the door to see their life occurring within those walls. And it's a better way to present your home overall when you're looking to sell. So we depersonalize, right? We remove those family photos, both for your own security, but also just to prepare space for that buyer to see their own life there. We hide personal items like laundry hampers, toothbrushes, things that you use in the shower. All that kind of stuff just gets thrown into a bucket and put down. That shouldn't just apply to your things. If you are a pet owner and you have a little furry baby, can you hear him? It should apply to your pet too. So what do I mean? When you have your home on the market and you're preparing for a showing, you should have some things set up. You should always at least crate your animal if possible, whether that be a cat or a dog, and have them in a designated space. It's always great too if you're going to crate them in the basement that you have like a little sign that says, you know, please be kind, so-and-so, whomever your dog's name is. In our case, it'd be Barley. Barley's here and very friendly, but feel free to leave him alone. You aren't here, you aren't present. You wouldn't want a guest to come into your home and be left alone with your dog. I know our little guy's still learning on how to properly greet someone at the door. So it's always best idea to crate them. Even better so, get someone to come and walk your dog. Have that neighbor that you can text while you're at work, or a company that you can set up in advance. You know, a lot of the time showings will say 24-hour notice. And oftentimes that is because there's an animal in the home. And then back to those personal items. Keep those dog or cat toys contained in a little basket that you can stick in the cubbies or that you can hide, as well as their food, any kind of bowls like that. Just because you love your fur baby doesn't mean that the next potential owner doesn't, and it's just one other way to allow them to have the space to think about this property being their home sweet home. So there's your tip, how to handle your fur babies when you're looking to market your home for sale. Number one, get them out of the house if at all possible, whenever you can for showings. At least crate them and make sure it is noted that they are crated, and to leave your little loved one alone while they tour the property. And then secondly, remove their personal items. So any of those dog beds, dog toys, kitty litters, just put them in discreet and hidden places so they're kind of tucked away. And this is all in an effort to make that buyer feel most comfortable and that they can see their life happening in those walls. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, share this video. If you have questions, comment below. I will do my best to get you those answers as soon as possible. Happy New Year.